Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Here we have this Ford Transit 2022, 2020, 22, 23. There is no hazard light. You know, the hazard light is not working. So what happened is there is two ways to take the switch. The switch, you can push it from here. If you are able to push it, you can push it from here and then it pop up. The switch have 3 wires. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the wire and I will run it under. I will run it through the wire here. All this, you have only 3 wires. One is elimination in the night when you put the battery, and the other one is ground, and anytime you push the button, it gives ground one time. One ground means flashlight have to work and it never stop till you push again to stop it. That means one ground command 4 light flash, one ground again is to stop the flashlight. Okay, and this is the sensor. We're gonna order it. It's coming Saturday. So what I'm gonna do is I will take the piece, I put it outside through here. And then when the customer when the part coming, we just put it from outside and push it in. To take it out, you have to move those screws, and then be sure that, and then you have those clips. You see, you have to pry them out, and then you're good to go. This is a radio face that when you put it in, it sits here like this. So you're gonna open the cover. Whatever something there, you have to open it. See how it's sitting. When you open it, you take it out. This is a cover from here, and just be sure when you take it out, you have the connectors. Don't forget to put the connectors. Thank you for watching. Like, this is ground. If I give ground to this wire, as I told you, to this wire, the one in the middle, the gray. If you give ground one time, the hazard will start working. You do it one time, the hazard will stop flashing. You see. And if it's activated, it never stops till you have to give the power again. Let me show you. That's how to test. Okay, see here. This is a ground. Just give a ground here. You see? One more ground. Stop. Ground. And by the way, if you do not give command again, you never stop this ground. The software never stop working. So you're gonna be sure that when you finish, everything have to be okay. So in order for you have to take the switch and push it from inside. This is the climate control, and this is the Ford 2022. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. Also, we have a door issue. We fixed the door cylinder. It worked. This one, when we have it, and as we gonna go with it. I don't know if the customer need 2 keys or not. But if you need to add a key, also it's better to have a spare key, because a spare key is a peace of mind. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.